Welcome to Focus Tech. My name is Dan and this is my review of my new gaming monitor, the Asus VG248QE. Now, unboxing the monitor, you'll get the monitor. You also get a dual link DVI cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, a power cord. You also get a quick start guide and a support CD. Personally, I would have liked to see a DisplayPort cable included because that will allow you to get the full 144Hz as monitor features. Now, the monitor does have built-in speakers which aren't that great, but they will get you by while you are searching for some better speakers. The inputs on the monitor, you get a HDMI port, a DisplayPort 1.2 port, dual-link DVI port, a headphone port, and also a microphone port. Now, in terms of looks, the monitor does have a glossy finish all over it, so not really a huge fan of that because it will attract dust, fingerprints, and just any little bits of debris floating around in the air. On the back of the monitor there is a small cable management clip for all of your cables. The monitor does have an on-screen display and the underside buttons do have a nice clicky feel to them, letting you know you've actually pressed something. But personally I would have liked to see the up and down menu buttons used as actual dedicated volume control instead of just being used to go up and down in the menus. So the big question is, how is this monitor for gaming? Well, honestly, it's amazing. Most of the games I threw at it were able to hit above 100 FPS on average, and some less demanding games did hit the 144 FPS mark without any problems. The games were running on high settings with VSync turned off. The games that I tested were running on my personal rig, which is an i5 4690, a GTX 1060 Strix and 16GB of RAM. So what is my final opinion of the Asus VG248QE, and should you buy it? Well, if you want to get into 1080p 144Hz 1ms response time gaming, and you want a well built and great looking monitor which also has multiple angles of adjustment for basically all use cases, then yeah, of course I recommend it. It is absolutely brilliant. So thank you for tuning in. This has been Dan from Focus Tech and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.